Good day, philosophers. I'm Priscilla Lagbas, and my title is Scientific Structures and Innovation. A review of the literature shows a gap in understanding how rigid scientific structures both guide and restrict innovation, while science relies on order and reliability. Many philosophers like Feyerabend and contemporary thinkers argue that strict frameworks can imprison creativity and slow real progress. So I ask whether scientific rules can help progress or if they instead hinder creativity and discovery. To this, I answer that too rigid a structure hinders innovation by limiting exploration, discouraging risk taking, and undervaluing individual imagination. I say this because first, science thrives when there is freedom to go beyond fixed formulas. Creativity grows from autonomy, not strict control. Second, people have powerful minds capable of divergent thinking, generating multiple solutions and fresh ideas. Strict rules suppress this natural creativity. And third, rigid structures limit individual freedom, which is essential for growth and discovery. Real progress happens when ideas are allowed to evolve freely, not confined by dogma. Objections include the following. First, structure is necessary to avoid chaos and make creativity sustainable. Second, too many ideas without order may cause confusion, not progress. And third, rules and systems can actually foster collaboration, harmony, and direction, guiding people toward collective success. To this, I answer that first, while mentorship and guidance matter, too much structure can silence originality. True learning happens through exploration and dialogue. Second, excessive control suppresses innovation before it develops as progress often thrives in environments that are flexible and open, even if initially chaotic. Finally, third, true rules can guide, they should not limit imagination. Great discoveries happen when thinkers move beyond. Science can still be ethical and respectful without being overly rigid. And to conclude, rigid structures may provide safety and order, but too much rigidity blocks creativity, discourages young thinkers, and slows through innovation. A balance between rules and freedom is the best way forward. Real progress depends on flexibility, imagination, and respect for human dignity, allowing science to grow and serve society. And that's all. Thank you. Good day, philosophers. I'm Priscilla Lagbas, and my title is Scientific Structures and Innovation.